Welcome back, guys. I got another video. This is Rolling with Sid, and I got a video where I am cooking fried cabbage. How many of you guys like fried cabbage? I do. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. I got shallots, red pepper, green pepper, white onion. You can use yellow onion or whatever onion you like, red onion or whatever. I got a whole cabbage chopped up. You can chop it however you want it. I got garlic. I'm gonna mix that up. I got ginger. I got chilies for the heat. Oh, on my finger. That's not dirt, y'all. That's fingernail polish. Anywho, I got chilies. A little bit for heat. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. I got garlic powder, coarse sea salt, garlic and herb. We like garlic around here. This is my secret that I like to put in there. A little Old Bay seasoning, pepper, and a little seasoning. And of course, the sausage, kielbasa, polska. Anyway, y'all see how I put this all together. So I got the ginger in here, and I'm gonna mix it up. The aroma is so good. That's what it looks like after being minced. Next up, chop the chilies. Chilies chopped. Next up, sausage chopped. You can chop it however you want to chop it. I chop it like this. But you can chop it however you want. You can do it fine, cut it 4 times, do it how you want it. That's just how I chop it. Next up, put a little oil in the pan, let it heat up, and then put your onions and sausage in the pan. Your onion, sausage, green peppers, and red peppers. And garlic. And ginger. And let it saute. The onions in the pan. Putting the green peppers, the onions, all of that in there. The shallots. So you guys that never cooked with shallots, you need to try it. Show this. Look at that. I like color in the food. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of color. So I got that in there. That's gonna saute and cook. And I'm also gonna add the ginger and the garlic mixture in there. We like garlic around here, so we use garlic. We like garlic. How many of you guys like garlic? I love garlic. I don't care if it make your breath smell or whatever, but it's good for you. It's good for you. All that garlic. Mix that around in there. Like that, like so. Yeah, and that's that. I'm gonna add the seasonings to it right now. I'm adding a little pepper. We won't do no measurements around here. We just add until you feel like, you know, that's soul cooking. You know, just add the stuff till you feel like it's enough for you. Pepper around now. A little season all in there. Not too much. I'm trying to watch the salt intake because the sausage is already a little salty. So you don't need all of that. A little garlic and herb. Garlic powder. As much as you want, it's just powder. Yeah, and I'm gonna put the chilies in there now too. The cut up chilies, I'm gonna go and put that in there now too. Like a little heat around here. A little heat. Show that. Look at that. All that looks amazing. I'm gonna save this coarse sea salt until the end because I don't want it to be too salty. So I'm gonna save that to the end. So look at that deliciousness right there. Look at that. Ain't that amazing? If y'all can smell the aroma in here, y'all will be here right now. So I'm gonna let that cook down for a little bit until the veggies get a little tender, and then I'm gonna come back with the next one. That's about where you want it. You want the onions to look a little translucent. You don't want it to be too cooked. You want it to look a little translucent. And the other veggies to be soft, because it's gonna cook more once I add the cabbage. So now this cabbage has been washed already. So I'm just gonna add the cabbage to it. And you don't add no water or nothing because it's fried cabbage, not the traditional cabbage, the fried cabbage. And the cabbage produces its own water, so it's going to be a little bit more water in there once this cooks down a little bit. And it might not fit all in there at one time, so you might cook that down a little bit and then come add some more later. It's still going to all cook the same, but trust me, it's going to be alright. Yeah, and I'll be back with the final. That's all in there. This is where I add my Old Bay. I add it to the top a little bit, just a little bit, and give it a little, little flavor. We like a little flavor on it. So all of that's in there. Can you show that? All of that is in there, and I'm just gonna cover it and let that cook down for like 20 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and check it. And we'll go from there, and that's probably gonna be like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know if you tried this recipe or not. And let me know in the comments what you added to it, if you did it how I did it, or did you add your own flair to it. Just let me know how you like the recipe, and yeah, see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna show you the end result though. I'm just saying all this now, but look at that. Look at that. And this is the final result. This is what it looks like plated up. I plated it with a steak, green peppers, shrimp. And now it's time for the tester. That's amazing. You guys like, comment, share, subscribe, share this video. Till next time, peace. I gotta eat.